Ndeto cia kwene nocio uraithirania urarega kwaria ciege njuragano iria irahanika guku bururi-ini niki uregete kwaria ciege atumia aria maronirwo kuria mukuru kwa Njenga niki wita mutongoria kana nduramenyaga uria kurathie na mbere ndinyore tafadhali ni wega ukorwo ukimenya ati o bururi ni uri mathina maguo na nie iciti ciugo ciakwa ende ni ciugo kuma tunini twa Akenya uko magikirira mubunge wa Kiharo Ndindi Nyoro thutha wa mubunge Ndindi Nyoro gukorwo akirekereria miario iria itoetwo na njira njega ni Akenya itanakuonia uria mbugeti Ndindi Nyoro arikitie gukiuga nie no ngwihoya na gitio kinene muno makiria ukorwo ugisubscribe thini wa YouTube channel eno itu na ndukariganirwo gukorwo ugiturn notification on nigetha riria twagikorwo tugikupload video wagikorwo ukamenya maria maragikorwo makianika guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Muthenya wa irathi ngima ni maku na iragia na githagathago thutha wa muhuraniri wa giturwa gia president kuria bururi-ini wa America niwe Donald Trump kurathwo mbere ya kwanja igongona o agithia na mbere riri githurano gitigitie mieri 5 gikinye. Atongoria thi ngima ni mokereire na aingi marakiuga ni uru muno kwenda kuraga mutongoria wa uyu wa gibururi. Ndindi Nyoro nake agikorwo akigwicicia ciana nja ni araikirie muhuro wake na kugo kaundu karia gatana gikorwo ugagikenia Akenya kuona Akenya marakiuga kwina ikuo iragikorwo ikihanega guku bururi-ini wa Kenya no atongoria aria twina guku bururi-ini wa Kenya no magwithiria maraithiria ciana nja handu wa maithirie cia kwa mucii. Nigukonge quote miario ya mundu ugwitwo Ndindi Nyoro niwe mubunge wa Kiharo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. Quote, President Donald Trump assassination attempt at a rally in Pennsylvania must be condemned by the entire world. Political intolerance is the single most threat to democracy anywhere. It's a diabolical, appalling and horrible. We wish President Trump quick recovery. We are African and Africa is our business. Ndindi Nyoro gukorwo akirekereria ndumiriri eno yake agikomithia giko kiu kia mundu kana giko kiu kiragikorwo gikihanika mundu gwitwo president uria wari president wa America Donald Trump Akenya na thutha wa gukorwo makiona ndumiriri eno ni mubunge wa Kiharo Ndindi Nyoro maihuru ni maruru maririkana uria kuhanikite andu ni maranyitwo migwate makahithio na angi makaga guku amwe nao makioneka maria ku ndeto ino ya magigi ya kuria kwa mubunge wa gicigo kia Embakasi kuria Nairobi kuria andu makiria ma 30 muno mari atumia marikitie gukorwo makihuruka. Akenya maragioneka ko eti matirako makikenio ni andu megwitwo Ndindi Nyoro na atongoria aria magikorwo makimathura tondu mena kiherehere gia gukorwo makiariria maundu mananja handu wa mako makiariria maundu maria maragikorwo magikiri hakuhi na ithui na nio mo maragikorwo magitugia. Otiga President William Ruto waritie ndeto ino gutire mutongoria ungi guku bururi-ini wa Kenya ukoretwo akiaria ndeto ino ya kundu kuria gugwitwo mukuru wa Njenga kuria andu makiria ya andu 30 makoretwo makioneka ati ni marakorwo makiteo moragitwo angi matinitio ciuga. Mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto no waritie ndeto ino na aragikorwo akimikomithia. Akenya macokete kuona ati mubunge Ndindi Nyoro aragikorwo akiaria cia mundu ugwitwo Donald Trump na andu aria maragikorwo makirorera Facebook pages kana Facebook posts ciake ni Akenya kugo ni maragikorwo makionania marakara maingi muno makiria na nigukorwo ngithoma baadhi ya ndumiriri iria Akenya magikitie mihoya yao na magikorwo makiuga ati matirakenio ni mundu ugwitwo Ndindi Nyoro na ni megukorwo makimutumira ngeithi ta uyu akaikia muhuro wake akauga no ambite ukahinyia cia muci first. Can your government account for the lives lost during demonstrations before you tell us about Trump hypocrisy of the highest level? Eno yugi agaikia muhuro wake akauga you know about America but you don't know what's happening in Kware, Embakasi, Nairobi, Kenya. Mbwa na yogia agaikia mohoro wake akauga it's so easy to post Trump but very difficult to post police brutality on your own country, especially that incident that happened in Rongai where a young boy was shot 8 bullets. We are Kenyans and Kenya is our business. Yogia agaikia mohoro wake akauga in every country it has their issues, so many of us blaming Kenya is the worst, but let me tell you guys, love your country. Kenya is our homeland. Ogegaikia mohoro wake koro kiandiko, what about those young Kenyan people who have died under your watch and you have not said anything or seem to sympathize with their families? Are they not human beings? I thought the way you used to criticize the former regime of which you are in, I thought you were going to have a difference in this regime. Eno yugi agikoro ageikia mohoro wake akauga what about those young Kenyan people? What about those young Kenyan people who have died under your watch and you have not said anything or seem to sympathize with their families? Are they not human beings? I thought the way you used to criticize the former regime of which you were partaker, you would continue criticizing the same. This is ridiculous. Kwe moyo kwa modo na kamodo no mukarahio ne Ngai no makarihio ne Ngai. Oyo agikoro akiikia mohoro wake wa muico ono tugukorwo tugiikia na mohoro wake wa muico agakoro akiandiko Eneto Stephen Mwangi akauga hamia America, you know very well you are part and parcel of the raising the punitive finance bill and the circumstances that followed, all because you think as you earn million, we earn the same. Have you forgotten you are raised in Majengo Thika? Can't you even remember Kiandutu slums and the role that they played in your life? Tukome kabisa. Side shows peleka kiharo ya Trump inakaa sympathy ya kutafuta kura, though I don't know how much America doesn't have Gen Z, I guess. Oko nuko mwangi wa mohoro ngakongi kuhana gitio kinene ukogi subscribe thini wa YouTube channel ino itu nigetha twiko tuki-upload video iria twiko tukiona uko nende-ini cio kinyaniria waikoragwo hui wa mbere gukorwo ukimenya maundu maragikorwo makihanika na njira ihana atia.